Ahoy, pilots! The CloudAhoy App version 6 for iOS has been completely rebuilt from the ground up using a state-of-the-art framework. It is a full rewrite using the most current technology and an exciting evolution for CloudAhoy. The CloudAhoy app provides a convenient way to log flight data with a single click, and the data is automatically uploaded into CloudAhoy. In addition, it provides a way to import flight data from ForeFlight, Garmin Pilot, and other EFBs. And you can debrief your flight directly in the CloudAhoy app on your device within minutes after landing. To log your flight, just click the red button. When the flight is complete, logging will stop automatically, and the flight data will be uploaded to the CloudAhoy server. Immediately after landing, the flight is ready for debrief. Just tap on the D icon, which takes you to the Post-Flight tab in the debrief window. During the flight, you can use the In-Flight tab to create markers and custom segments in real time, which will then be displayed in your debrief. CloudAhoy App version 6 also supports multitasking to allow you to run CloudAhoy side by side with other apps. With multitasking, you can use the In-Flight tab to create markers and custom segments during a flight while still using your EFB such as ForeFlight. Finally, for those pilots who use the app mostly for debrief and not for logging, you can set the Post-Flight tab to be the default when you open the app. To do so, tap on the setting icon. This is useful if you have a configuration in which the flight data is uploaded automatically with something like AirSync, and you only use the app to debrief and not often enough to log flight data. You will notice that debriefing in the app is similar to previous versions. The work we've done under the hood creates longevity for the CloudAhoy product and more enhancements to come. Of course, feedback is always welcome. Click the feedback icon from the logging screen or the debrief tab, or send us an email at team@cloudahoy.com. Happy flying!